What should you do if your car starts to overheat, and what could be the problem?
If your car starts to overheat, one thing you can do is to turn the heat on so that you can open your heater core and let some of that cold fluid into your engine. If it's still overheating after that, just pull over. It could mean that you have either a coolant leak or there's a leak somewhere else in the car.
If your engine's overheating, definitely pull over your vehicle as soon as possible. Do not try to make it to any location. If you see that your vehicle is already hot, it's already too late to try to limp it to any location. Go ahead and pull over, let your motor cool down a little bit, maybe come back all the way to cold, and then you can try to turn it back on and get to the nearest location so that way you can get a good service. You definitely want to check your coolant levels and your radiator before you get back onto the road just to make sure that they weren't low and that's what's causing your issues. But make sure not to do it while it's hot, as you could cause a lot of steam to come out of the motor and hit you very harsh.
Find a safe place to pull over. If you start getting warning signs, or if you notice your temperature is getting really hot, wherever it's safe, take your time, try to pull over. Just pop the hood and let the car cool down. You might be sitting on the side of the road for a while, but you want to let the car cool down because you don't want to go immediately as you pull over if the car's overheating. Pop your hood and if something's leaking or spraying that you can't see, you don't want to get hurt or dangerously burned. So just pull over, let the car cool down. If you could get AAA or somebody to get you, do that. Or when it's cooled down enough, then you could try to see if you could assess the situation.